What's up? It's Coach Tony coming to you live from Fort Worth Fit Body Boot Camp. I just wanted to show you some food hacks. Coming in late last night from being out of town, it delayed flights. And what are you going to eat when you haven't been home to meal prep? So I would recommend, first off, is getting yourself an air fryer. This has saved my life. And so a few things I'm going to show you that I picked up at Costco are some potatoes. They go in there super fast. These I will actually do on the grill. They are super, super awesome chicken burgers. And I will wrap them in these lettuce wraps. This is, butter lettuce is my favorite kind of lettuce. But to go with those, because I want to splurge, it is this hot habanero jack cheese. And then just some veggies, some little peppers. I got some little cucumbers somewhere. Some grapes, some blueberries. These also are amazing. And I can make them in 15 minutes in my air fryer. A few other little things. Let me see what else I got. There's my cubes. I got some bananas. These, so they are very, very high in protein for a meat stick. And they're not too fatty either. 16 grams of protein. A couple other quick things. These are already cooked, and I used to buy them, and I would hate them because they would be overcooked. But in the air fryer, they take no time at all, and they're excellent. And I have some salads I had in the fridge. I also splurged to get this. Also can make them in the air fryer. I am gluten-free. I don't do very much dairy. What else? Oh, I bought this for the grandkids. So it is gluten-free, so I probably will have some of those. When I do have this, I will, you can look, it has 12 in a quarter of a pizza. I probably am not eating a quarter of a pizza, so I would just also have a shake. I bought these to try. Look super good, really clean. We'll be doing those in the air fryer. I honestly don't really cook unless I bought these for my grandkids. They smell amazing. They can also be done in the air fryer. So often, if you guys are busy like me, which I know most people are busy, and then we use the excuse to, what are we going to eat? We don't have any food, and so I made a quick trip, and I have a lot of grandkids in my house. I made a quick trip to Costco in the middle of my day, but we got in about 12:30 p.m. is when we got home last night. Got up at 5:30, did some work. I had a protein shake, which I already had all of those for me. I had a complete protein shake for lunch, which was already pre-made. You can get those at Costco too. So they're gonna have some carbs in them as well. And I had a banana with peanut butter. What else did I eat today? Oh, and I had one really good protein bar. So I'm definitely not going to eat like that every day, but making sure that I'm getting my protein in, my carbs and my fats, and then I was able to pick up everything today that I'm going to need to get me through the weekend. So I just challenge you to think outside the box, and healthy and meal prep doesn't mean that you have to spend a whole day cooking. So DM me if you want some more information or on specific things, as well as if you want information on the air fryer, because it is a game changer. So I hope that you can take one thing. I also bought some nut butter, mixed nut butter. Take one thing away, or ask a question on something that you are struggling with, maybe protein, carbs, how you would like to get that in, and I would love to help you. I hope that you have a great rest of your Wednesday.